Good morning, students. So today we are going to start the next chapter from our supplementary, that is snapshot, and chapter number 5, Mother's Day. This play is written by J.B. Priestley, famous writer. So let us discuss something about this author, that who was J.B. Priestley. J.B. Priestley was an English novelist plus playwright, screenwriter, broadcaster, and social commentator. It means having a versatile personality, this man. So then, especially his Yorkshire background, that is what reflected in his fiction or in his work. What is Yorkshire, that background? And this author specially or notably known for the good companions. The companions who brought him first to the wide public notice, to whom this writer or playwright J.B. Priestley. Because in this play, major two characters or notable characters. First one is both women characters, ladies. First, Mrs. Fitzgerald, and second character, Mrs. Annie Pearson, and the rest of the characters. So now, after this author's background, let us have a look at the chapter sketch. Actually, what is there here in this chapter? Then we will discuss the characters. Chapter sketch. It is a humorous and satirical play. You know, I hope that you know very well. Humor means what? A kind of criticism, satire, especially on the society, on a particular group, right? Such ironical writing. So humorous and satirical play, right? So then it portrays, it has portrays what? The status of a mother in the family. Especially our play revolves around the status of mother in the family, because we know that especially in the family, mothers and wives, they do not get the proper status or the respect in the family. We know that mothers and the wives, they continuously work. If we say 24 hours, that is also we are not exaggerating here. So it is a pitiable condition, plus the writer has tried to show what the plight of a mother and a wife in the family. Plight of a mother and wife, right? Especially these two, wife and mother in the family. We know that these two characters, that they are always neglected and only ordered in the family or in the society by the family members. They are taking only orders continuously, that you do this and this one. Maybe for example cleaning, washing, cooking, all these things. Have only taking orders. Next, plus unlimited duties and no weekend break. We know that we want, whenever we are working outside as a man, so we want weekend we want at least 1 or 2 days holiday in a week, at least 1 day or holiday in a week. But here what about mother? On Sunday also that she is working. So now coming to the characters. First character, that is Mrs. Fitzgerald. Who is this character? Mrs. Fitzgerald is the neighbor of Mrs. Annie Pearson. And Mrs. Fitzgerald, she is a very bold character, plus strong-willed, bold, strong-willed, do not afraid, do not scare, plus she knows magic very well. So with the help of magic, that magical power, then both of them, they interchange the personalities. Who? Mrs. Fitzgerald, she became Mrs. Pearson, and Mrs. Pearson became Mrs. Fitzgerald. So in this way that they interchange the personalities with the help of magic. Coming to the next one, Mrs. Annie Pearson, friend of Mrs. Fitzgerald. And if we talk about this character, it is a pleasant character but nervous type of character, because this character is not bold or courageous, just like this character Mrs. Fitzgerald having the strong will, but she always continuously running after the needs to fulfill the needs of her family members, including her children, son and daughter, and her husband, right? And she do not raise the voice against such injustice in the family, right? Now coming to Doris Pearson. Who is this Doris Pearson? Daughter of Annie Pearson, and she is in her 20s, about 20 years old. Almost we could say that the spoiled character, right? Next one is Cyril Pearson. Who is this Cyril Pearson? Son of Annie Pearson. He is also the same. It means another copy of this character Doris Pearson. Both brother and sister are same. Next, George Pearson. Who is this George Pearson? A proud husband of Annie Pearson. George Pearson, he is a proud husband of this character Annie Pearson. Always dominates his wife. And he thought that he is having the respect in the society or in the club where he used to go, but nobody respects him. Such a Pompey character is given, which used to make the show of the dominating characters. So now in this way here we have discussed about the author J.B. Priestley, second the chapter sketch, and then the list of characters. Total 5 characters we have to discuss in this play. It's a play, dialogues are given, and humorous satirical play, especially the status of mother and the wives in the family or society, right? So now the actual play or the story content of this play, that we will continue from the next video module. Thank you, children.